Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Defense Career Academy Aurangabad. Okay, myself Ganesh Patil and I am faculty of mathematics. Okay, see, today we are going to discuss or solve the examples in exercise number 1, means rational numbers. Okay, in the last lecture we have discussed or we have studied the rational numbers, its definition as well as the distributive property and its verification. We have already studied. In the given lecture we are going to discuss the most important topic or point or method for solving the examples. Okay, see, rational numbers exercise 1. The example number 1 is minus 2 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. Dear students, you just recalls the properties of rational numbers. Okay, now I am going to tell you the important properties of rational numbers. So the first property is commutative property. What is commutative property? Commutative property means a plus b and is equals to b plus a. That is commutative. Okay. Then next one is associative property of rational numbers. Associative properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division we have used in 4 types. Means see, associative property means a plus in bracket b plus c is equals to a plus b, write down in the first bracket, and plus c write down outside of the bracket. And third one property is distributive property of rational number. Distributive property of rational number. Distributive property means a in bracket b plus c is equals to ab plus ac. That's all. Okay, so we just use the distributive property, and if need the associative or commutative we have used. Okay, but the distributive property is the most important property of rational number. Okay, see, then solution of the given example. The given example is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 upon 6. Okay, you just see or write down the example. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. Now we are just focusing the first term and third term. Okay, in the first term there is a 3 upon 5 and also in the third term exists 3 upon 5. Then this minus sign and 3 upon 5 we have take here, or we can take here the common minus 3 upon 5. See, in the first term minus sign we have taken common, then only 2 by 3 is remaining, and write down in bracket 2 by 3. And in the third term minus is the common, 3 by 5 is the common, and only 1 upon 6, and then write down 5 by 2 is as it is. Okay, then minus 3 upon 5, and here we have to need the denominators must be same, means 2 into 2 upon 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 6 and 5 by 2, then 3 by 5, 2 to the 4 upon 3 to the 6, 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2, then 3 upon minus 3 upon 5 write down as it is, then 6 is the same, means we just take one time, and 4 plus 1 is the 5 and write down 5 by 2 as it is. Here 5 get cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, minus 1 half plus 5 by 2. Then here also the denominator is same, means we have take just one time, and 5, and this is minus 1, 5 minus 1 4, and the answer is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that's why the answer is 2, and 2 is the correct answer. And now we are going to solve the next example. Okay, now see, we are going to solve the second one example, and second one example is the most important example for you. See, here we have also used the properties. Okay, means we can't directly solve this example. The question is, solve the given examples by appropriate properties. Okay, and with the help of properties we are going to solve the given example. Let's see the solution. See here also the term first and term second. 2 by 5 is the common, means 2 upon 5 is the common here. By the distributive property, 2 upon 5 is the common. And then minus 3 upon 7 first, and then plus 1 upon 14 is the second, minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 by distributive property. Distributive property means 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 is the common. Then by distributive property we can write same as. Okay, then 2 by 5 is the common, and then here 7, here 40, means here need multiplied the 2. Here also 2, means minus 6 upon 14 plus 1 upon 14, and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, means minus 1 upon 4. You can directly write down 1 upon 4. Okay, then 2 upon 5, and here minus 6 plus 1 means minus 5 upon 14, minus 1 upon 4. Here 5 and 5 cancel, then 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, but here 1 and minus sign means minus 1 upon 7, minus 1 upon 4. Okay, see again the denominators are not same, means we are going to do same the denominator, means 7 and 4. What is the LCM of 7 and 4? The LCM of 7 and 4 is 28, means here need multiplied by 4 and 7 is multiplied here, means minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Here multiplied 4, here also multiplied 4, here multiplied 7, here also multiplied 7. Then see minus 4 upon 28 minus 7 upon 28, means we can take we have take 21 just one time, 28 and minus 7 and minus 4 means minus 11, and minus 11 is the final answer of the given example. Okay, this is the most important examples for you, and the next and other examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you very much.